Let's see what this fucking trailer's about. In 1974, a horror legend was born. Oh my god, I'm so fucking scared right now. Who is it? Who's it? Oh, in 2022, the face of madness. Oh god, who returns? Who is it? Who is it? Oh my god, it's Leroy Jenkins. No way. It's just like a shot of somebody like digging in this wall. And then they just quick shot to just a bloody chainsaw just getting dropped on the floor. Oh fuck, I love that shit. Leroy Jenkins. Why is his chainsaw in the wall? Could somebody explain that to me?
Because it goes through the wood.
But it's in the wall. Like he was hiding it in the wall, and then he had to break through the wall to get it out. Like it was a hiding spot. Curious, why is he keeping his chainsaw hidden in the wall? Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Actually, go ahead and get one going without me, because I'm gonna eat real quick, because I'm starving.
No.
That was the whole trailer?
If two people queue up for DPS,
What are you gonna do? You're gonna suck somebody?
oh, whoa, no, I wasn't gonna say Alfredo has enough time to eat.
Oh, well, that's not as exciting.